Today in this module, we'll be covering how to suspend JumpCloud users, which easily removes their associated access to any resources. This, however, does not remove them from the user list and will remain as a paid user until you fully remove the account. Take this test user, for example. If we wish to suspend his JumpCloud account, we'd want to open up the user's account by clicking on it and hitting the drop-down menu on the left-hand side just below his avatar. Select Suspend User, Confirm, and Save. Any active system sessions will be automatically logged out, and all associated bound resources that user has access to will be changed from an active to a disabled or blocked state. To re-enable the user with their current valid password and activate it back on their bound resources, it's as easy as flipping the status from disabled to enabled. This concludes the module over JumpCloud suspension of a user account within the admin portal. For more information on user management, check out any of the other tutorial modules or associated knowledge base articles for more details. Thanks again.